What's up, guys? This is Cole, and today we're doing a platform overview of Subtotal. This includes the Subtotal dashboard, Subtotal link. We're going to create a connection. We're going to look at purchases, everything you need to get started with Subtotal. Now, if you're new to Subtotal, you can get started at subtotal.com. You can think of Subtotal as a really easy way for retail customers to share their purchases directly with your brand. So the way it works is through account linking. So the accounts that consumers have with these retailers, there's purchases tied to each of those accounts, and Subtotal's developed a secure way to connect that account to your brand so that your customers can share their retail purchases with you directly. So when you sign up, you'll be looking at an empty Subtotal dashboard, but when we create connections, they'll show up here. So connection is how we represent the link between a retail account and your brand. Then connections have purchases. So the purchases that are tied to those accounts, those will become available here. And then you have Subtotal link. So Subtotal link is the experience that end users go through to connect their account to your brand. First thing you'll want to do after you sign up is actually configure Subtotal link to use your branding and your retailers. My brand name is Cole's Cookies. Here's my icon, and then my retailers are Walmart and Amazon. Now, let's say I don't just sell my cookies at Walmart and Amazon, but also at Target. I can add Target as well. Let's see, here's Target. Now I've got Walmart, Amazon, and Target. So these are the retailers that your customers can link accounts from. After you have everything configured, we can go ahead and test linking an account. I'm going to test the Target account. The way you do that is select these three dots, click this button, test link, and this launches the end user experience. You'll see as we go through this that Subtotal link takes care of two things. First and foremost is the consent from the user. This is what the opt-in looks like, letting users know exactly what's happening. You're going to link their Target account to Cole's Cookies, consumers sharing their personal data with your brand. And second, you have the auth with the retailer. So signing in on Target, continue to log in. This is Target's native authentication. I can sign in using my personal account. I'll go ahead and get a code. And I can enter my code and my account is linked. Super easy. Now, if we hit exit, this will take us back to the Subtotal dashboard, and that's actually configurable. So you can use any redirect URL that you want. The idea would be that your customers start on your brand and end with your brand. A quick handoff to Subtotal to handle the account linking. And here you can see we've got a new Target connection that is now active. If we hit view details here, and here we can see all of the purchases that are associated with this connection. So these are my Target purchases on my Target account. And if we look at one of these, let's go with this one, you can see all of the items that were bought. So if we click view JSON, I'll blow this up so you can see it. This gives you a good sense of the data. So for each item in the purchase, you can see things like price, quantity, brand, UPC. So this is where the utility really comes from, being able to verify that your customers are buying your products from third-party retailers. Not only can you see that your customers bought your products, but you can see the other things that they're buying as well, which tell you a lot more about your business in the retail channel. And now we've seen how to set up Subtotal link, create connections, getting purchases. So in case you're wondering why a consumer might want to share their purchases with your brand, the answer is there's some incentive that you're creating for them to do that. So loyalty and rewards, rebates, some kind of promo or campaign where you need to verify that they actually bought your product. That's what Subtotal can do really, really well. So you can think of Subtotal as a sort of purchase verification engine in the retail channel. So for those of you that are building consumer experiences, we have an API. So you can create an API key. After you create your key, you can click here, check out our documentation, look at our API reference. Don't worry, we'll do another video that's just on API integrations. You can use our webhooks to process purchases in real time. And we have our integrations, right? So Subtotal is meant for you to be used in concert with the other platforms that you use today. We're going to do separate videos with each of our integration partners, so make sure you check those out. And last but not least, your team. Don't exclude your team. Click here, send them an invite, have them come join you in Subtotal, and let's build something amazing together. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.